Look, it's Sammy. Sammy is so big that, look at this. I'm a big guy, and my hand can't even wrap around his stomach. He likes it. He's like, he likes it. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, he likes it. As we watch Aqua Teen Hunger Force. Because we have nothing else to do at 4:30 in the morning. And we're copying Fallout 3 to the hard drive. And drinking Heineken. No. Everything we need to do in an adventure. Sammy's like, what are you doing? What are you doing? Get back. Pet me, pet me, pet me, pet me. Pet me, pet me, pet me. Oh, he does the roll. He does the roll. Look at this. He does the roll. Oh, he goes this way. But if you keep petting, he comes back. He comes back. Watch. He'll come back. See, you keep petting him. He'll come back. He'll come back. Oh. Look at that big belly. Look at that big belly. Oh. Oh, there. He came back. I knew he'd come back. Sammy. Like a soft carpet rolled up with all kinds of stuff inside. Alright, back to video games and TV and beer. Enjoy yourself.